What do you think it is that holds people back from living into their full God-given potential? I've been wrestling with that question for a long time and looking at it. Is it their education? Is it their upbringing? Is it their title? Well, in a lot of ways, it comes down to things that all of us struggle with, and it's basically what's in this bowl. It's the garbage that's in our minds. It's the things that go through our thoughts consciously and unconsciously that wreck us, that keep us from living into what we're supposed to be. And it doesn't need to be that way. Part of the reason I so love transformational coaching is you do a process like this where you look at the thoughts in your mind. Like, here's a thought, I'm not good enough. Ever had that thought? A lot of leaders, certainly a lot of people have had that thought. Or you take a look at another thought like, I always mess things up. Or one more I'll pull out of here, I'm not cut out for this. And what Daniel Amen titles this is your ants, your automatic negative thoughts. And all of us have automatic negative thoughts that come from things that others have said to us, the shoulds that go through my mind. I should be this way, or I should be that way, or I'm not enough. And it crushes us, and it keeps us from living into all God has for us and bringing what we're supposed to in the world. So the process of addressing those ants and those automatic negative thoughts is what I call healing negativity. And it's a coaching process where you take a look at the thought, I always mess things up. And what you do is you evaluate it, but then you come up with the counter thought. I've learned from my mistakes. So you go from I always mess things up, and whenever I have that thought, I'm going to say I learned from my mistakes. The next one, like I'm not good enough. I'm uniquely equipped and gifted to do what I'm supposed to do. That becomes the new thought, the transformational thought. And then like I'm not cut out for this, the new thought, the counter thought, I'm designed by God on purpose. I have all I need. I'm designed by God on purpose. I have all my need. In the Bible in Romans chapter 12, it says, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. And a lot of us go, how do I change? Or how do I help the people I work with change? And it comes to understanding, number one, what are my garbage thoughts? And then how do I start going through them, getting rid of them, and then neatly replacing them with the new thoughts in our minds. And bye-bye garbage thoughts. So hey, if that is of interest to you, go to wetraincoaches.com. You can learn about transformational coaching or take an assessment so you can figure out if maybe that's the way you too are supposed to help people. And trust me, it is a beautiful thing when you see someone have old thoughts that are crushing them and new thoughts that bring them to life. I look forward to getting to know you. Comment below if you think this makes sense. God bless you.